This video is recorded to help my students to understand problem 3 in exam 1 review. This video is recorded in a hotel lobby. I couldn't find a quiet room, so the video might have some background noise, but I hope students still can watch it. Okay, the problem is this. Write a while loop statement to print the digits of an integer type variable x reversely. For example, if this x is equal 3584, it should print out 4 lines as 4853 because you want to print out those digits reversely. So you will print out 4 first, print out 8, then print out 5, print out 3. Now, in the test, if you have such kind of question, you do not need to write the whole program. You just need to write the while loop. So we assume the x has been declared, okay? Now, and initialized. So you don't need to declare x, you don't need to initialize x. Assume x is declared and initialized. You just need to write a while loop to print out this x or the digits reversely. Now, so this problem a little bit challenging. Students first need to understand how do you print out the last digit 4? How can you get, if I give you an integer, how do you get the last digit 4? If you think about it, the last digit 4 is just this integer mod 4, which means x, mod 10, I'm sorry, this integer mod 10. If x mod 10, that means x divided by 10, what is the remainder? The remainder will be the last digit, right? So this is just x percent 10 will be the last digit of x. So for example, you have 3584 divided by 10. What is the remainder? Of course, the remainder will be 4, right? Because you divide by 10, the quotient is 358, and the remainder is 4. So if you mod 10, give you the last digit of that number, okay? Now, then how can you get the second last digit? Well, in order to get 8, there is one way you can do this. You first divide by this number by 10, 3584. If you divide by 10, that will give you 358. Notice this is computer science integer divided by integer. You still get an integer. Mathematically, you will get 358.4. But for C++, we know if you use an integer variable divided by integer, the result only be the integer part. So it will be 358. So you get 358, then you use 358 mod 10, then that will give you 8. Now you got the idea, right? Each time I will mod 10 first, get the last digit. Then I divide by this number by 10, then mod 10 again to get second and last digit. I keep doing so when I stop until this number go down to 0, right? So for your example, next step will be 358 divided by 10. That will give me 35. Then 35 mod 10. That will give me 5, right? Then I use 35 divided by 10. That will give me 3. And 3 mod 10. That will give me 3. Because 3 divided by 10, remainder is 3. Then I use 3 divided by 10. This is 0. Now I'm done. Notice that 3 divided by 10 is 0 because the result mathematically is 0.3, but this only take an integer part. So this tells me the while loop should be like this. Well, x is greater than 0, okay? X is greater than 0. What I'm going to do? Each time I will see out x mod 10, which is the last digit. That's print out a new line. Then I update x equal x divided by 10. Okay? Now here I probably would put this together. Maybe it's better, right? X mod 10. Now, no. Since I write a while loop, I did assume my x is declared and initialized. Okay? Now in your test, you don't need to write this part because in the test essay, I show max is initialized, declared and initialized. But when I write this code, of course, to test this program, I have to declare and initialize x first. Okay? So now, this means you print out the last digit, print out the new line, then update x by divide by 10. Then you keep doing so until you reach x is 0. Okay? So as long as x greater than 0, you will keep doing this. Now, let's try to run this program, see if it works. Okay? Wait a moment. Where is my... Where is my code? I can run this. It's kind of weird. Let me... Where is my X code? Let me see. Strange X code, my project. Huh? Oh, it's here. It's behind it. Okay. So the student can see this. Okay, let me run this. So if I run this, I click on. We say print out 4853. That's print out reverse. Okay? So if you have any questions, please give me an email.